Hi students, welcome to next session. In previous session regarding geometric progression, we did some examples. We'll continue next example. The sum of first three terms of GP is 13/12 and their product is -1. Full stop. Find the common ratio and their terms. It is very important for 3 marks, most important model. So here asking to find 3 terms and common ratio is asking. For that they given some condition. So here the sum of first 3 terms of GP is 13/12 and their product is -1. So generally we know the first 3 terms in GP is A, AR, AR cube, AR square. If we take that 3 terms, their product we didn't get -1. Generally if we take suppose A, AR, AR square, that product will get A cube into R cube equal to -1, AR whole cube equal to -1. From that we didn't get the any product. Okay, that's what you can remember one thing. Whenever product will give product of 3 terms or product of 5 terms or product of 7 terms is some value, at that time we need to take like this. Remember, let A by R, AR be first 3 terms of GP. Instead of A, AR, AR square, we need to take this model. See, it is also in terms of GP only. See, while producting this, R cancel, will get A value some value. That's what whenever product will give, the terms we need to take in this form. A by R, AR. Don't take general terms. If it is 5 terms we want A by R cube, A by R, AR, AR cube. Like that we need to take the terms. Okay. Now given sum of this product is 13/12. A by R plus A plus AR equal to 13/12. And product is -1 is given. Product A by R into A into AR is equal to -1. From this R cancel, A into A square into A cube is equal to -1. We can write -1 whole cube. Value doesn't change. Then A value is -1. For that reason we need to take 3 terms in GP. Okay. Now A value -1 substitute in 1. From 1. -1 divided by R plus plus A means -1 minus R is equal to 13/12. Take LCM. -1 minus R square divided by R is equal to 13/12. Cross multiply. -12 minus 12R minus 12R square is equal to 13R. These are all minus values, send right side. 12r square 13r plus 12r 25r plus 12 is equal to 0. So extreme product 12 into 12 144, in middle term 25 is there. So this we can split 12r square plus 16r plus 9r. 16r plus 9r is 25r, or multiplying these two extreme product will get. Like that we need to split the products, and 12 is equal to 0. From this I will take 4r common, remaining is 3r plus 4. From this 3 I will take common, 3r plus 4 is equal to 0. So from both I will take 3r plus 4 common. So remaining 4r plus 3 is equal to 0. 3r plus 4 equal to 0, or 4r plus 3 equal to 0. Now r value minus 4 by 3 or minus 3 by 4. Is asking find the common ratio. Therefore common ratio is minus 4 by 3 or minus 3 by 4. After finding common ratio, is asking terms also. Terms means a by r, a r. What is the values? If r value minus 4 by 3, a value minus 1. Terms substitute here, a by r, minus 1 by minus 4 by 3, minus 1 divided by minus 4 by 3, comma, a is minus 1, ar minus 1 into minus 4 by 3. That are, so minus minus cancel, it will be reverse, 3 by 4, comma, minus 1, comma, minus minus cancel, it will go that side. So sorry, multiplying these two. So minus into minus plus 4 by 3, that is one term if r is minus 4 by 3. Suppose if r is minus 3 by 4, r equal to minus 3 by 4, a value is minus 1 only. A value we got minus 1 only. Then terms are a by r, minus 1 divided by 3 by 4, a minus 1, ar minus 1 into minus 3 by 4. Now minus minus cancel, 4 by 3, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 3 by 4. These are the terms if r is minus 4 by 3 and if r is minus 3 by 4. So same model in exercise 1 problem is there, that I will give homework, you can do on your own. Same method only. The terms in GP. So the sum of first 3 terms, first 3 terms of GP is 39 by 10, and their product is their product is 1. Find the common ratio. Find the common ratio and the terms. And the terms. This is same model ma, how we did same procedure, just values only change. You can do the homework. So same model, you can take a by r, a, ar, here also same thing. and product is 1, means a by r into a equal to 1 you can take. From that a value will get, a value substitute in the sum will get the r value. And next example, a person has two parents, comma, 4 grandparents, comma, 8 great grandparents, and so on. Find the number of ancestors. Ancestor means the generations. Ancestors during the 10th generations. Preceding his own. So total number of 10th generation means sum we need to calculate, Sn we need to calculate. For that, if you observe, first 2 parents, next 4, next 8, next 16, like that will get. Then we can say it is in GP. Here first term is a equal to 2, ratio is 4 by 2, it is also 2 is greater than 1, r is greater than 1. So 10th generation we need to find. First Sn formula, a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, it is r is greater than 1. Okay, but we need 10th generation, S10 equal to a value 2 into r power n 2 power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, that is 2 into 2 power 10 is 1024 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 into 1023. So 2 into 1023 is 2046. In the 10th generation, total number of ancestors is 2046. So next problem, insert 3 numbers between 1 and 256, so that the resulting sequence is HGP. It is very important model for 3 marks. Most important for 3 marks. So here they said, while inserting 3 numbers between these 2 numbers, the resulting sequence is also in GP. Find that 3 numbers. Okay, so let us take G1, G2, G3, B, 3 numbers between 1 and 256. Then resulting sequence in GP means then 1 comma G1, G2, G3, comma 256 are in GP or in GP. So here first term 1, last term 256 and number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of terms is 5. So we have the formula L equal to AR power n minus 1. Last term or otherwise general term. Okay. L value 256 is equal to A value 1, R value we don't know, R power n minus 1, 5 minus 1, then R power 4 equal to 256, R square equal to R square whole square equal to, otherwise R value, R is plus or minus 4 will get, 4 power 4 we can write, maybe plus or minus. If it is plus only, the values will be exist in this. If it take R value is minus, AR 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, minus 4 not there in this, that's what R value we need to take only 4. So R value not equal to minus 4. Okay, R value 4. Take G1. G1 is nothing but first term AR 1 into 4, 4. Next G2 AR square 1 into 4 square, 4 square value 16. Next G3 AR cube 1 into 4 cube, 4 cube value 64. Therefore 3 numbers are 4, 16 and 64. If you take R value minus 4, here we will get the negative values. AR value will get minus 4, but minus 4 not in between 1 and 256. That's what we need to take. R is only plus 4. Okay. So same model. Now if you get the doubt here whether it is positive or negative, sometimes you will get the doubt. Instead of taking both are positive, you can take only positive. You can take instead of plus or minus, positive we can take. Why we need to take the negative? You know that if you take the negative, terms will get in minus. That's what we only consider R value positive. So same model, insert two numbers. Here two numbers only, insert two numbers between 3 and 81, so that the resulting sequence is GP. Same model. Here instead of 3 terms, we need to take the 2 terms only, G1 and G2. Then total number of terms 3, G1, G2, 81. So 4 will get n value 4. You can simplify same manner, will get the answer. And take it as homework. Same model only, you can try it. And next example. If AM and GM means geometric mean of two numbers A and B, small a and small b, are 10 and 8. So this 10 is arithmetic mean of two numbers and 8 is geometric mean of two numbers respectively. comma, find the numbers. Find the numbers. So find those two numbers. Okay. So here given AM of A and B is 10. That is AM is A plus B by 2 is equal to 10 implies A plus B equal to 20. Take equation 1. So from that AM we got A plus B equal to 20. Next GM of AB, GM of A comma B is 8. That is geometric means root AB is equal to 8 implies squaring on both sides AB equal to 64. Now by using these two terms A and B we need to get. A and B we need to get. So from this, otherwise we'll do one thing. A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square value we can write A plus B whole square minus 4AB. A plus B whole square minus 4AB. So while simplifying this we'll get A minus B whole square only. That equal to A plus B value 20. 20 whole square minus 4 AB value 64. So 20 whole square is 400 minus 4 into 64 256. 400 minus 256 144. That is A minus B whole square. Then A minus B is plus or minus 12. A minus B is plus or minus 12. So A minus B value either be plus or A minus B equal to minus 12. We got A minus B value is 2. So by using these two we can find this I will take equation 2. This I will take equation 3. 1 and 2, 1 and 3 solving we will get A and B separately. From 1 and 3. Otherwise from 1 and 2. What is first equation? A plus B equal to 20. Second equation. A minus B equal to 12 plus 12. One time plus 12, one time minus 12 we need to take. Add these two. 2A equal to 32. A value 16. From 1. 16 plus B equal to 20. B equal to 20 minus 16, 4. So 16 comma 4. A value 16, B value 4. That we got from 1 and 2. Next from 1 and 3. A plus B equal to 20. Second equation, third equation, A minus B equal to minus 12. Add these two, B cancel. 2A equal to 20 minus 12 is 8. A value 4. So from 1. So 4 plus B equal to 20. B equal to 16. So therefore the two numbers are The two numbers are 16 comma 4 or are 4 comma 16. With that examples are completed. We will continue the exercise. exercise 9.3. So first question, find the 20th and nth terms of the GP 5/2, 5/4, 5/8 and so on. So by using this geometric progression we need to find the 20th term and nth term. So here first term a equal to 5/2. They given directly it is GP, means completely it is ratio we need to find. Ratio means second term by first term. 5/4 divided by 5/2. 5 cancel, 2/4. That means 1/2. Common ratio is 1/2. A we got and R we got. 20th term we need to find. 20th term of GP T20 is equal to AR power 19 n minus 1. Okay, that equal to A value 5/2, R value 1/2 whole power 19. That we can write 5/2 into 1/2 power 19. 5 into 1, 5 divided by, the bases are same, power we can add it, 2 power 1 plus 19, 2 power 20, it is 20th term. Now nth term is asking. So nth term of GP Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. A value 5/2, R power 1/2 whole power n minus 1. 5/2, 1 power anything is 1 only, 2 power n minus 1. 5 divided by 2 power 1 into 2 power n minus 1. Base is same, power you can add it. 2 power 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Nth term is 5 divided by 2 power n. And the next problem, second one, find the twelfth term. Find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. The common ratio is 2. So T12 we need to find them. For that first term and common ratio both required, but common ratio is given. By using data first term also we can calculate. So given T8 means AR power 7 is equal to 192 and the common ratio R value 2 is given. So R value substitute in T8, A into 2 power 7 is equal to 192. A equal to 192 divided by 2 power 7 value. 2 power 5 is 32. 128. So A equal to 4 table, 4 4 16, 32, 4 8 4 3 12, 4 2 Next 16 table, 16 2 16, 3 is so a value 3 by 2, that is a value. First term we got common ratio there, we can find the 12th term. Therefore 12th term of GP is T12 is equal to AR power 11, that is equal to 3 by 2 into A value 3 by 2, R value 2 power 11. So 2 1 power 11 cancel, it will be 2 power 10. 3 into 2 power 10. 3 into 2 power 10 value 1024. So 1024 into 3, 3072. So 12th term is 3072. And the next problem, the 5th, 8th and 11th terms of GP and 11th terms of GP are P, Q and S, small letters P, Q and S respectively. Show that Q square equal to PS. Show that Q square equal to PS. So here 5th, 8th, 11th terms of GP is given. So given T5 equal to P, that means AR power 4 value P. T8 is Q, that means AR power 7 equal to Q. T11 is nothing but S, implies AR power 10 equal to S is given, that is given data. From that we need to show Q square equal to PS. Now consider LHS equal to Q square. So Q square is nothing but AR power 7 whole square. This thing is A square R power 14. So this we can write AR power 4 into AR power 10. So A into A square, R power 4 into R power 10 is R power 14. So AR power 4 value we know P. AR power 10 we know S. So Q square equal to PS, that is RHS. Next question. The 4th term of a GP is square of its second term. And the first term is -3. First term is -3. Determine its 7th term. Determine its 7th term means T7 we need to calculate. So the given 4th term is square of second term. So given fourth term is square of second term, T4 is equal to T2 whole square. Fourth term of GP we know AR cube is equal to second term of GP is AR whole square. Simplify that. AR cube equal to A square R square. So R values collect one side. R cube divided by R square. A square divided by A. Square root cube cancel. A square cancel. R equal to A. So the given first term is minus 3. Given A equal to minus 3. Both A and R equal. So common ratio is also minus 3. Therefore, seventh term is T7 is equal to AR power 6. A means minus 3 into minus 3 whole power 6. Because of minus 3 power 6 even number, it will be positive. Minus 3 into 3 power 6. So bases are same, power we should add it. Minus 3 power. Bases are same, power we should add it. Minus 3 whole power 7. You can simplify that, you will get the answer. So next question. So which term of the following sequences in that first one 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 and so on is 128. So which term of the sequence is 128? That is the meaning of that. Okay. So given Tn equal to 128. Nth term is given. What is the n? That is the question. So it is in GP. A value 2. Common ratio. Second term divided by first term. 2 root 2 by 2. 2 cancel. Root 2 is positive only. Here no negative. Positive and negative. So AR power n minus 1 is equal to 128. A value 2. R value root 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 128. 2 table 264. So root we can write 1 by 2. 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 64. 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 power 6 we can write. 2 power 6 is 64. Bases are same, powers also equal. Both sides bases are equal, powers also equal. Implies n minus 1 by 2 equal to 6. N minus 1 equal to 12. N equal to 13. For 13th term, the GP will give 128. Next, B. Root 3, 3 root 3 and so on is 729. So which term will give 729? Same thing. Given Tn equal to 729. So n value we need to find. So first term root 3, common ratio 3 by root 3. So this we can write root 3. Ratio and A we got AR power n minus 1 equal to 729. N value we need to calculate. So A value root 3 into root 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 729. So here bases are same, power we should add it. Root 3 whole power 1 plus n minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, n is equal to, this we can write 3 power 7. So 3 power 7 value 729. Here 3 power 6 value will give 729. Root 3 we can add 3 power 1 by 2. 3 power 1 by 2 into n by 2 is equal to 3 power 6. Both sides bases are equal, powers also equal. N by 2 equal to 6. Then n value 6 into 2, 12. So 12th term will give 729. Next C. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on is 1 by 19683. Which term will give 1 by 19683? So given Tn equal to 1 by 19683, n we need to find. From first A and R we calculate. A means first term, R common ratio 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. That we can write 1 by 9 into 3 by 1. 3 times cancel. R value also 1 by 3. So ratio we know, first term we know, Tn AR power n minus 1 is equal to 1 power 19683. So A value 1 by 3, R value 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is equal to, so 19683 LCM we can take it, 3 table, 3 6 18, 16, 3 5 15, 18, 3 6 18, 3 1 again 3 2 6, 3 1 26, 2 8 sorry 3 8 24, remaining 21 is there, 3 7 again 3 table, 3 7, 3 2 3 9 again 3 table, 3 2 6, 3 4 3 3 again 3 table, 3 81 again 3 27 again 3 9 27, so 3 3 now 3 into 3 into 3 how many there, 3 power 9, 1 by 3 whole power 9. So 3 power 9 will give this value. So this we can simplify, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 power 9. Here bases are same, power you should add it. 1 divided by 3 power n is equal to 1 divided by 3 power 9. So both sides bases are equal, so n value 9. It also we can write like this, 1 by 3 whole power n is equal to 1 by 3 whole power 9. So 1 power 9 is 1 only, 1 power n is 1 only. Now n value 9. Here for what values of x, this terms in GP. If you want to say terms in GP, ratios are equal. So if minus 2 by 7 comma x comma minus 7 by 2 are in GP, GP in the sense ratios are equal. So x divided by minus 2 by 7 is equal to third term divided by second term minus 7 by 2 divided by x. Okay. So this we can write 7x divided by minus 2 is minus here minus 7 by 2x. So 7 cancel, x divided by minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 2x. 2 cancel, cross multiply, x square equal to minus 1 into minus 1, 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. This is one method. No? In another method, if you want to do, so we have A, B, C are in GP. Formula is B square equal to AC. This formula we have. So same thing, A, B, C in GP, middle term square equal to product of these two. So x square equal to A into C minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. 2, 7 cancelled, x square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1 we need to take. Very, very, very important. This is alternation method. You can do any manner. Either this one or this one you can follow. So next one, 7th question. Find the sum of twenty terms of the geometric progression is, write that series 0.15 comma 0.015 comma 0.0015 and so on. So S20 we need to find. For that first term and common ratio is required. A equal to 0.15, R equal to 0.015 divided by 0.15. So if you want to remove the 0, we should multiply with 1000, then it will be get 15 divided by 150 will get. So 10 1 by 10 is 0.1. So 0.1 is less than 1. So here R value less than 1. So we can apply the A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. So S20 is equal to A into 1 minus R power 20 is divided by 1 minus R. S20 is asking. S20 is equal to A value 0.15 into 1 minus R value 0.1 whole power 20 divided by 1 minus 0.15 into 1 minus 0. Whole power 20. 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. 0.9. So this we can write 0.15 divided by 0.9 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power 20. So if you want to remove the decimal, multiply with 100 ma 15 by 90. 15 by 90. So 1 minus 0.1 whole power 20. So 15 by 90, 0. Here 15 by 90 value 0.16, 1666 like that we get 0.16 to 1 minus 0.1 whole power 20, that is S20 value. Here for this series sum of n terms is asking Sn we need to find. They didn't given any particular term, Sn only we need to calculate. From this first term root 7, common ratio second term divided by first term, so that is root over 21 by 7, root a divided by root b, root a by b, so that is root 3. Root 3 value positive only, r is greater than 1. So Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, that is the formula. Sn equal to a value root 7 into r value root 3 whole power n minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So finally root 7 into 3 power n by 2 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, that is Sn value. If you want to get the simplified value, you can do the rationalization of the denominator also. Next question, find sum of n terms of the GP. Here first term a value 1, common ratio minus a. This a is not a first term, that is term only. But here a is not equal to minus 1. Why? Because if a is minus 1, r value will get the 1 1 1 1 1 1 everything. No meaning of that. That's what it is minus. R minus in the sense x less than, sorry, ratio is less than 1 formula we need to apply. So Sn formula a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. A value 1 into 1 minus a whole power n divided by 1 minus r minus a. 1 minus a whole power n into minus a whole power n divided by 1 minus r minus plus a, that is Sn.